How would you assess if your roof deck might be damaged prior to replacing your roof? Some of the telltale signs are just visual observations. You know, if you're out in your yard and you look up and you can see what we call telegraphing, you can see the outline of the 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of plywood or OSB that's telegraphing through the shingles, that's usually a sign there might be an issue with the roof deck. If you see buckling, or all of a sudden where two boards came together and are starting to pop up, almost create a little tent where the shingles are, that's another very obvious sign there might be an issue with the roof deck. Besides looking from outside of your home or on your roof, you can also go into your attic space. You know, you don't want to see discoloration of the board. It shouldn't be black. You know, when you see it, you'll know it. You're like, that doesn't look right. The other one is kind of the feel, and that's the feel through your feet. If you're walking on your roof and it doesn't feel like you're walking on the ground that God made, if you're starting to bend into it, that's not a good sign either. It should be a rigid surface. That board should not be dipping down when you take a step on it. So if you feel it when you're walking on there, that's a sign. Or visually just observing around your house or in your attic space are the best ways to know if you might have an issue with your roof deck.